This is the new Oppo A77 first look and quick review. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. This Oppo A77s is just recently launched here in Dubai last month with a price of 849 dirhams. Now, let's dig in what are the cool features and full specifications of this device. Let's start with the design. Actually, I like the design of this phone. It has plastic frame in the both corners, plastic back as well, but it has a leather texture with anti-fingerprint, and this orange color is an eye-catching. It has a blue color as well with shiny matte back design. At the right side, here is the power button along with the fingerprint with Type-C charger, a stereo speaker, microphone, 3.5 jack, and with the volume rocker at the left. In terms of display, I am a bit disappointed because they used IPS LCD panel with HD resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. Most of the brand with similar price range has Full HD Plus resolution and some are OLED panels. And the teardrop notch selfie camera design is already outdated and thick chin at the bottom as well. Now let's move on the performance of this phone. This Oppo A77s is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 6nm CPU with 8 cores, 4 cores with 2.4 GHz and 4 cores 1.9 GHz, and Adreno 610, which is great CPU as well for a mid-ranger smartphone. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, and you can expand with micro SD card. In battery performance, this phone has 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, and Oppo claimed that it can fully charge in 69 minutes as advertised. And finally, the camera. The separation of black frame and orange leather texture is excellent. It has equipped with 50 megapixel with f1.8 aperture with face detection autofocus and a 2 megapixel secondary lens with f2.4 aperture for portrait photos. At the front, it has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture that can record Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. So guys, what do you think of this new Oppo A77s? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, consider subscribing to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.